this is the most difficult cycle we ever had. If you are not holding the right projects, you might not make any money at all. So in this video, I'm going to show you the projects you need to hold and how to make the most of it. Okay, let's start with it. So if you look at Bitcoin, we are at 114K. I don't think this is the top. If you look at the Bitcoin power law indicator I'm showing here, the top should be around 200K. We could top before that, maybe even at 150, but I think 150 to 200K, I'd say is almost guaranteed. So the last 4 cycles we had for Bitcoin, we always topped in the orange line, as you can see here. So again, where is the orange line? Around 200K. So Bitcoin looks very good. Another very important thing for altcoins is last cycle, we went from 10 to 45K. Altcoins did nothing. And then from 44 to 69K, the last move for Bitcoin, right here, altcoins in a span of 3-4 months did very, very well. It was a different scenario. You had the Federal Reserve printing money, you had lower interest rates. And if you look at alt season, it always happened when we had lower interest rates. So the last time we had lower interest rates, as you can see here, it started a mega bull market for alts. Then the last time, 2020, we had COVID, Federal Reserve started printing money. What happened? Bitcoin dominance fell 40%. And then, of course, in the meantime, altcoins did very, very well. Think something similar might happen. September, we're going to have the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates, and that might help altcoins. Also, another positive indication is Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum, for the first time in 4 years, is looking very good against Bitcoin. So as you can see on the monthly, also in 2020, Federal Reserve started printing money. What happened? Ethereum did 374% against Bitcoin. So the same thing I think will happen here. We are still looking at a 100% move for Ethereum. And if we go to all-time highs, almost a 200% move. So definitely is looking good for Ethereum. I think in the next few months / year, having Ethereum is better than having Bitcoin. Looking at this chart, I think it favors more Ethereum to now outperform Bitcoin. So you might be asking, what altcoins should you hold? I think the obvious one for me is Tau BitTensor. So AI, as you may know, is the most disruptive technology we ever had. The problem is you have a few companies holding this very powerful technology. So Tau is a decentralized approach to this with the power of coordinated incentives. You can solve any problem you want. You can optimize for anything. Has already 128 subnets. Some of them already outperforming AI giants. So as you can see here, Shoot, a good example of it, processed 1 trillion tokens. If you compare to other AI projects in the field, Shoot should be valued 5 to 20 billion. At the moment, it's 50 million market cap. Gradient's another really good example, is already beating Google and Together AI. What's the market cap? Around 30 million. Targan, another good example, around 40 to 50 million market cap, raised 10.5 million. They raised from Shopify founder, from Google. So these are just 3 projects. And now you have Templar is already proving that you can train very powerful AI models in a decentralized way. These are 4 subnets. You have another 124. And in the next year, you're going to have maybe 1,000 subnets. So I don't see how any project can beat the quality and the quantity of projects in Tau. Same tokenomics like Bitcoin. You have Barry Silbert, the founder of Grayscale, someone that invested in Bitcoin at $100, saying that Tau has the same potential or even bigger than Bitcoin. So when you have this kind of investors behind the scenes, it's a really good sign. Another important thing, you have companies getting created just for the sake of buying Tau. The only 2 projects you have this is Ethereum and Bitcoin. You don't have any other project where you have companies being built just to accumulate Tau. That just shows we are really, really early on this. If you look at the next 5 to 10 years, I think we might see a 45K price for Tau, 45,000. that should be the same market cap as Ethereum. I think it happens in the next 5 years. And 5-10 years, I would say 100x. I'd say we could even reach $1 trillion in the next 10 years. I'd say between Ethereum and Bitcoin level, I think it's the only project has this kind of potential. So I think Tau does a 50x. I think Solana in the next 5 years does maybe a 15x, 20. And Sui, another good project I'm going to show you as well, maybe 20 to 30x. Solana and Sui, layer ones, very fast, very cheap. You need Bitcoin is a great store of value, but it fails as a layer one because it's very expensive and slow. Ethereum as well, very safe, very secure, but it's not fast enough. So you need something like Solana and Sui, where you can have thousands of applications, tons of developers, people can be buying and selling with very cheap fees. So these are the projects I think are going to make you the most money and also the safest one. Maybe you're going to have other tokens with a 10 million market cap that do 100x, but also you could lose all your money. Another project worth mentioning is Hyperliquid, similar to Coinbase and Binance, but decentralized. One of the most positive cash flow businesses out there. They make a lot of money with fees. So definitely a very good business, a very good project. Also, I think has a lot of potential. Aweave, also decentralized storage, very good project too. But if you want to focus in 3 to 4 projects, Bitcoin, of course, Tau, my number one, Sui, Solana. And if you want to add another one, Hyperliquid. So these are the projects I'm looking at. If you are holding the wrong projects, for example, let's look at Near, $2. The high for Near was 20 bucks. I'm not sure that Near ever hits new all-time highs again. The same thing with Chainlink, great project, currently at 16. The highs are around 55. Can it hit? Yes, but also there is a chance that Chainlink never hits all-time highs again. Aptos, same thing, around $4, all-time highs around 20. Celestia, another example. So if you don't hold the right coins, you will lose your money, which I think if you are in Tau, Sui, Solana, I think you will make a lot of money, especially if you are patient. And now with the Tau halving coming in December, 50% less supply, more and more demand, so price should skyrocket, similar to Bitcoin. The first halving for Bitcoin did like 50x. So I think the same thing will happen. So thank you very much, guys. If you want to be ahead of the curve, make sure you join my VIP Discord. Thank you for the support.